Here I have XIAOMI Pocophone F1 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down in order to find and select the additional settings right here. Then from the following list, choose languages and input. Here let's tab languages from the top of the screen, and this is the full list of available language that you can use on this device. In my case, let me switch my language to Spanish, so find and select the Español from España. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also the apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes, scroll down, then select the Ajustes Adicionales right here, tap idiomas in traducción de texto, tap idiomas again, and here let's select English, for instance from United States. Alright, everything went well. Now you can use the English version of your XIAOMI Pocophone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.